preheat the oven or we can't bake anything.
You would leave me of all people trying to figure out this shit.
I am Molly Skye Brown, and this is,
I'm Latrice, the happiest woman on the planet.
and
I'm black.
I'm white, and this is Baby Got Snacks because
Baby got snacks! This is our first episode, everybody!
we found we had nothing in common as human beings because of our blackness and whiteness. It divides us so intensely.
I'm peanut butter brown.
Wow.
I'm peanut butter.
And I'm pink.
And I love peanut butter and caramel because it's part of the snack family. I'm sorry.
Focus. Still doing an intro. Baby Got Snacks. This is the one thing we can agree on, right? The one thing. As blacks and whites
And people.
we're going to show that we can agree on a lot of more things, like all the
But
things.
everybody loves snacks.
Everybody loves snacks.
Okay, but our true
Cheers.
intention is that we are really good girlfriends
Yes.
who come together to help advance humanity, dealing
Yes.
with all of the
Yes.
differences that they deal with, but
Through
we don't
snacks.
deal with ourselves.
This is the gateway of snacks.
Right.
Snacks is the gateway.
Because we love each other and we do this to have fun, to
Yes.
get away from it all,
Yes.
and we dance.
Do we?
We do.
Okay.
We laugh out loud and we eat a lot of snacks. And since all of
Unabashedly.
us are stuck in our houses,
Yes.
we're shut down.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're eating more than what the fuck we should be eating.
Yeah,
right now.
maybe you're
How
binge
many
eating.
pounds have you put on this year,
Dude,
girl?
let's not shame people before the holidays, okay? You're going to keep expanding for a bit. It's okay. Until January 1st, you are free to
Oh my
expand.
God, we put on so much weight.
Put on stretchy pants.
I did take off my
Let it
Corona
go.
10.
Did you?
I'm about to put it back
Oh,
on.
you know, I think I did too. I was horrified about a month ago. I was like, whoa, reel it in. And then I was on the scale the other day and I was like, maybe that was menstrual and maybe I'm okay. And maybe I can just eat what I want and live to tell another day.
Oh my God.
But tradition aside, tradition is gone right now, right? I mean, it's
Yeah.
out the window. We're being forced to have virtual Thanksgivings. Most people are
Yes.
not seeing one another for Thanksgiving. We are because we live on top of each other. So that is
Could you
super convenient.
Could you please clear it up?
Oh, we're not in a bunk bed. Should I clarify that I don't live on top of you? I sleep on top of her. She lives under my bed. It's really weird. But we just hit it off. So for the past few Thanksgivings, when I'm able to alienate myself and just bunker down with my family, we eat literally tapas style. For the most part, I really don't cook a huge meal. My son has a weird medical condition, so he literally can't eat human food whatsoever. So I broke away from tradition and really started just making snacks and being lazy and enjoying the day of rest and recuperation and being grateful for that ability alone. So I got into the whole appetizers and snacks thing.
Yes.
I know you've said that's very new to you because your Thanksgivings were no snacks before dinner, right? That's what you're saying?
No.
No snacks.
I
before
didn't have Thanksgiving snacks.
Yeah.
So I wanted to taste her snacks and I wanted to bring my first Thanksgiving snack. And let her taste it.
Yeah, so we're gonna have that in just a minute, and that's gonna be delicious.
This is weird.
Yeah, this is super weird, and I thought it was weird as a kid. I'm not gonna lie. I remember when my mom used to put this stuff out. It's very whitey European, wherever it comes from.
Thanksgiving
German, English,
is an American holiday.
Nordic, Dutch. Let me tell you about my weird dip now.
Oh boy.
So it's cream cheese.
Oh
It's just a brick of cream cheese.
So white.
Yeah, so white.
I'm so brave.
And then these are 2 peppers, red pepper jelly and green pepper jelly.
I'm going to lose my black.
They're weirdly delicious. Any of these crackers will work, but
Oh, don't you just love crackers?
I do. I'm gonna go for the red first.
Okay.
But yeah, you want a little bit of jelly. You want a good ratio.
I want a good ratio.
I want a good ratio.
That sounds
That's a lot.
smart.
There's
She's
a lot
so
happening
damn
here. That is delicious, folks. Do you see that? Do you see it? Do you see it?
I don't want that little cracker. I want this big cracker.
You do what you
I
want.
love the big crackers.
Mm.
I'm making history. our first show and my first Thanksgiving snack and my first Thanksgiving snack with jelly and cream cheese on a big cracker. We're winning,
Pepper
folks.
jelly.
Pepper jelly.
Yeah.
It's British for Thanksgiving.
Do you love? Is it delicious? It's good. Weirdly good.
Shit, yeah.
It's weirdly good. And it's festive and pretty and simple.
Mm.
And it is such a, I mean, this is what we had at every holiday
shit is
party
good.
growing up. Yeah, my grandfather in Hollywood
No.
always had this shit out. It's so classy and pretty.
I give that 10 stars.
Mmm.
But wait till you see what I'm bringing to the Thanksgiving for my first Thanksgiving snack. This is my first Thanksgiving snack that I bring to the table.
It smells ridiculous. That hot pepper bacon jam.
Hot pepper bacon. Hot pepper
So yeah,
and bacon.
yeah. Smoky. Oh my god. Amazing.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah.
This brings out the country, Mississippi rooted part of me.
Right?
This smells like it was made in the back,
Barbecue. Yeah. Yeah.
in an old pit
Yeah.
in rural Mississippi. Okay, do we need, should we
Just
pick
pick it up and eat it. I don't know if you need a cracker on top of it, but
Well,
sure,
let's just try.
possibly.
The point of a snack is you create what the hell you want. I want her to eat it with a cracker.
I want you to. Oh, that's mine. Oh, okay.
Because I'm such a good friend.
Mm.
Did I hook you up, sister?
You hooked me up, sister.
Did
Oh
I
my God,
hook
that's so
you
yum.
up, sister?
Sister, you did.
I hooked her up.
Oh my god, so good.
Let me see. Let me see. This has the Mississippi, the Mississippi red pepper bacon jam brie on a cracker.
Cracker. It's delicious. It's delicious. Oh my gosh, is that delicious?
Ladies and gentlemen, you must get you some brie and put some red pepper bacon jam on the
In
top of it.
It's delicious.
Bake it
That is
and have it
great.
as a snack. All ladies around the world,
Mhm.
this will bring us together. After you taste this, you are officially my sister. I think this can heal humanity. Well, this was a wonderful first Thanksgiving snack show
Yeah.
for Baby Got Snacks.
Baby got snacks.
We really hope everyone enjoyed it.
Yeah, I hope you had fun with us, and maybe we're more fun than your family. Maybe we're worse than your family. Maybe we're just like your family.
Maybe you want a family?
Maybe you don't. Until next week,
Yes.
mac and cheese, anyone?
Yes. Enjoy Thanksgiving.
Enjoy.
It smells like somebody played blues music.
Yeah.
Down, 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 down. Down, down, down.
I fucking love you. I don't know where you're going with any of this, but I love it. We are in Mississippi right now.
We are in Mississippi. Down, 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 down. Girls
Who run the world?
Girls,
Who run the world?
girls,
Who feed the boys?
Girls.
Thank you.